Hey everybody, welcome back to Raven Camille TV. This is the first YouTube edition of the Hood's Cook. And so if you're new here and you don't know, I am Raven Hood and this is
Ahmaad Hood.
And we are married, but we do not have our rings on because we're about to cook and we don't wear them at home.
Yeah.
But if you have not, check out the 2 versions of the Hood's Cook that have already been uploaded. They are cocktail versions, specific to the holiday, but you know, liquor is liquor, baby. So today we're gonna be making Woodles.
Woodles.
Now, this is a Flint, Michigan lingo, which is where we are from. But for those of y'all that are not from Flint, they are nothing other than egg rolls that are not traditional egg rolls.
That's it.
Okay, so today we will be making a chicken fajita one, okay? And Ahmaad's gonna make a what, Philly cheesesteak?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ahmaad's making a Philly cheesesteak version. Okay, so for your ingredients here, we have egg roll wraps. Okay? Just shows the chicken breast tenderloins, but we got chicken breast, some onion, diced onion. We bought diced because baby, it don't matter who diced it. Okay? Oh yeah. We got red bell pepper and green bell pepper. And then we also have some mozzarella cheese. Okay? Let's get into it. I learned this cool little trick on TikTok. So lay the bell pepper on its side. Chop the top off. No. Why would you cut it that way? Okay, yep. Oh. Okay, and now pick it up, cut like right there, and then now put it back on its side. And now you're gonna take the knife around from where you just cut and get the inside out.
Okay.
It gets it all out. The core, the seeds, all of it in one fell swoop. Okay, you're like cutting.
Oh, maybe so. Cool.
Yeah. Are you cutting the bell pepper into dices, into strips?
Strips.
Okay.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way,
Monty, how old were you when you think you had your first Woodle?
$20.
Really? That was when we made them.
At 20? No. I was 20.
Oh, got you. I thought you were saying I was that age.
No.
Really? That's interesting.
You?
For as long as I can remember.
I'll take that back. I definitely was like...
That's not like, really?
I definitely was like 15, 16. Yeah.
I love a good Woodle. Okay, so we have all of the peppers all sliced up. What's next, pal? Season the meat.
Yeah.
Could you get me another cutting board, please? I'm so excited to eat. Oh, it's fine. It doesn't really matter which one. Alright, after your chicken is all chopped up to your desired sizing, I chop mine into little cubies like so, like that. I'm gonna put it in a bowl so I can season it. Alright, so I will be seasoning with black pepper, ground cumin, cayenne pepper.
Oh,
I didn't ask you for that. Salt, garlic powder, and onion powder. Once my husband hands them to me. Okay, onion powder and garlic powder. I like to make my own little taco seasoning instead of using the store-bought one. It's my house. Everything gets cleaned off. Don't worry about it. This is garlic powder. You get me onion powder. You gave me 2 onion powders.
Forgot this was.
There we go.
Yeah.
This is my garlic powder. I like to use a glove. Cooking makes me sneeze. Give it all a good mixy, mixy, mixy. Bada boom, bada bing. So Ahmaad, what are you gonna season your meat with?
Just the basics: onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, salt.
Cool beans.
Nothing major.
So I took some olive oil, put it in a pan, and now we're gonna add in the veggies and the onions. Ooh, looking so good, eh? I'm very hungry, like in real life, present day, as we're recording this, and I'm very excited to eat.
Is that why you was like, are they almost done?
Yeah, that is why I asked her they almost done.
A little hangry self.
We just happen to be recording. I'm hungry. So I just added the chicken. Well, Ahmaad added the chicken to the pot after the peppers were done. Totally realized that we probably should have shredded them. Ahmaad said the pieces of chicken are way too big, but guess what? I don't care because I'm gonna eat the chicken. So yeah, if you rake this, you may want to actually shred them, you know? So we're back. Bell peppers are done. Chicken's done. My steak is done. We have poured some canola oil. Or did you use vegetable? Canola oil into a pot, and it is on and it is getting hot. And so now we're gonna wrap our little woodles.
So I'm going to take some of the chicken and put it in the egg roll. Or woodle. Some of the peppers. Half. Oh, see, you ripped it already.
Oh, did you rip it?
Yeah.
So apparently this is a very common thing that can happen.
Oh, this gonna happen. A little water just to dip it in. Across them edges. There. It ain't perfect, but you feel me. Check me out. I ain't used to.
What you used to roll, man? Go ahead.
You don't even say what's up. Round your bush, back so tough. Like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, along this way you're going enough. I promise. You make think that I'm crazy. You should ask around about me. Put your trust in me, baby.
Fold that in. Fold that in. Come on. Fold it up. Bam. A little water. Bam.
Boom. We rolls around here. Well, I don't roll. I could never do that illegal thing. Well, I guess it's not legal, huh?
Yeah. Oh, you couldn't do it?
No.
Huh.
I couldn't inhale that stuff. I got baby lungs. I still pass out to this day.
Fire.
I do have baby lungs. I don't be smoking that stuff.
Oh, you don't?
No. I just eat it. I never was able to really, you know, inhale that stuff. But what I will say is, if you choose to eat a little something or partake in a little something before you had these Woodles, it'll be good. 10 times better, I say. Drop them in your oil. No, we don't know how hot it is. Don't know what to tell you. Test your oil, make sure it's hot. I am so excited to eat. They're good and golden, like so, like that, because that's our business. Ooh. Focus. Good and golden. We're gonna fry up the rest of these, and then we'll be back for the taste test. Alright, so they're all done. Dun, 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 dun. So, for point of reference, we made the entire pack. So that was a small pack of chicken tenderloins and a pack of shaved steak, and it made, how many wraps are in the pack? 15? Can I count? That's a guesstimate. 4.
Yeah.
15 or 16. Okay, I'm gonna have my chicken ones with the good old Taco Bell Chipotle sauce. Also gonna put some Taco Bell mild sauce.
I'm just gonna have some mild sauce.
This is a brand new bottle too. I need to probably take the lid off.
I was gonna say that little.
Oh man, saucy. Wait, don't bite it yet.
Of course not.
Not us having on white. All right, you ready? You wanna bite it on camera? Hot. Let me tell you something.
Good though.
I love me a good Woodle. Alright, well.
This before.
We could just stay on here and keep eating in our face.
But
I'm good.
yeah, we're gonna enjoy the rest of this food. Y'all have a good evening, okay?
Yeah, if there's anything else that y'all want us to cook specifically, leave it in the comments.
Please do.
Follow us on all the socials. _ Raven Camille.
_ the gentleman's groomer.
See y'all next time. Bye.